Hey folks, welcome back to yet another quick tutorial on watercolor. Today I'll show you how Today I'll show you how to paint this tree in 3 simple steps. Number 1. We decide the frame and divide it with 2 horizontal and 2 vertical lines equally spaced apart. The points where they intersect are called the golden points. We use these golden points to place our subject most of the time so that our paintings looks aesthetically pleasing and well balanced. Number 2. Sketch out the plan. In this step we divide the earth from the sky and try to block out the bigger shapes first. Finally, number 3. In this step we decide the values. Like here we have a very weak foreground, strong middle ground, and the background is the weakest of the 3. Actually, I should have added one more point, and this is the most crucial one. Detach yourself from the reference image. In this final step, you have to look for what your painting is asking for, regardless of what's there from where you have been trying to paint from. Now, as you know how to paint this tree, let's go home and dive right on. The paper I'm using today are from Brustro. They say it's 100% cotton. In this pack we get 5 A3 size papers, 4 plus 1 free. The texture feels good. It looks somewhat like arches. Now don't take out your stuff and start painting with me. This is wrong. First, try to understand how it's done. Watch me how I do it and then you give it a try. What the hell? If you haven't seen how I built this palette, click on the I button to check it out. This scene is all green, so today we are using green as our primary color, but with a hint of new gamboge by Daniel Smith, neutral tint by Daniel Smith as well, and a white gouache from Brustro. I hope you remember what I've said in the first 1 minute of the video. The foreground means the bush has the weakest value. The middle ground has the strongest, which is the tree, the main subject, and the background 0, cause we are not painting the sky today. Few darks here and there and we are done with the first layer. By the way, the green I'm using here is Undersea green by Daniel Smith. Looks like a good paper, no crazy warps as such. To paint the main subject we need a stiff brush. Here I'm using Escoda Perla round 12. Picking up a thick mixture of green and neutral tint, we start painting the tree. Almost no water on my brush, 100% dry brushing, so we need to go very carefully. Guess I need a cup of coffee. You finish watching this, till then I grab one. I hope you enjoyed the show and learned something from it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Stay tuned.